job! Click on the next activity.
Animals on the farm. I live on a farm. I see animals on the farm. Come see animals with me. This is my dog. My dog is big. My dog helps on the farm. My dog's name is Gus. Here is a pig. The pig is fat. This is a cow. The cow gives us milk. This is my cat, Pumpkin. He is big and orange. This is a chicken. The chicken lays eggs. This is a rooster. He likes to crow. He wakes me up early. This is a duck. The duck can swim. This is a sheep. The sheep is soft and white. This is a lamb. The lamb is little. The lamb is a baby sheep. This is a horse. The horse can run. I can ride the horse. Her name is Princess. We have many animals on our farm. It is fun to live on a farm. I like to live on a farm.